It is Wall Street's newest and most secretive empire, an invisible force, built not on trust, prestige, or human ambition, but on cold, autonomous code. For over a century, the financial world was ruled by titans and raiders, men who leveraged everything to conquer the markets. Firms like Goldman Sachs survived crashes and recessions by ruthlessly spotting money-making trends and executing them better than anyone else. The first major shift in this power dynamic began in the late 1980s, when scientists and engineers entered the hedge fund industry. Quantitative firms, like D.E. Shaw and Renaissance Technologies, began using massive compute power and a scientific approach to discover trading anomalies. They deployed early machine learning systems to predict asset prices based on complex patterns that were completely invisible to the naked eye. But even these revolutionary quantitative models were ultimately just tools. They still required human masters, and human beings are vulnerable. When sudden regime shifts or black swan events hit the market, human emotion and panic take over. Today, the modern financial machine moves trillions of dollars a day. The sheer volume of global trades, the labyrinth of international regulations, and the demand for instantaneous execution have pushed human capacity to its absolute breaking point. Wall Street needed a solution that was faster than a human and entirely self-governing. The industry has now moved beyond simple AI assistance. Leading global banks like Goldman Sachs and Lloyd's are now deploying Agentic AI. These are not chatbots. These are autonomous systems capable of settling routine trades, managing compliance, and handling complex customer complaints without constant human intervention. They are officially known as digital coworkers. Think about the sheer scale of this power. A digital coworker doesn't sleep. It doesn't ask for a bonus. It strips away the bloated bureaucracies that have weighed down megabanks for decades, sitting in the digital shadows, autonomously executing the rules of the global financial engine. The institutions deploying these autonomous systems are pouring enormous resources into learning artificial intelligence, advanced engineering, and complex data analysis. Because in today's world, having mastery of these skills isn't just an advantage for experts. It's becoming essential for anyone who wants to get ahead in life. As these digital coworkers quietly take their seats at the desks of Goldman Sachs and Lloyd's, we are witnessing the dawn of a new financial order. For generations, the power of Wall Street lay in the hands of the individuals who could outsmart the room. But what happens when the smartest entity in the room is an autonomous system that operates entirely without human intervention? They are no longer just coworkers. They are the new empire.